Hello guys, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will show you I built out a Canva clone SaaS application directly in browser. So it actually built in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is actually the full directory structure of the full project here. If you need the source code, I've given the link. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. So it's actually a front end single page application. So it's also very easy for you to run this. Simply open it in VS Code and we can simply open with live server. So this directly opens in the browser and you can easily edit your videos directly. So you have this upload section. So here you can actually, if you have a video that you want to edit, you can simply select the video. All the processing is directly happening in the browser. You add the video and inside the timeline section, and here you can crop the video, change the background, everything you can control here. You can just see here. If you want to add some text here, you can even do that as well. So now you can preview the video right here. So it looks something like this. You can even add images. So if you have a local image that you want to add, so once you add this, the image will look. So here you can place the image. So after that, you can export this by clicking this download button. So it's process the video directly in the browser. It will render it, and once it reaches 100%, it will download the video. So just click start downloading. It will. So in this easy way, you can edit your videos directly. You can clear out. It can be used to create thumbnails. You can resize. Various pre-made templates are also there. You also have the templates as well. So pre-made templates are also there. You can even select your own template as well. You also have the support for videos which are third-party videos. You can easily. So it's a fully fledged editor. You can even upload your own audio as well. So various shapes are also there. Emojis, other shapes you can just see right here. Fonts are also there. So with a single click, you can make a vertical video, horizontal video. So it will save you a lot of time. It's a Canva clone SaaS, and you can then place advertisement by deploying this to a custom domain and putting advertisements and earning a lot of passive income as well. Because it's a, you can even export this to an image file as well. So click download and automatically it will make you this thumbnail. You can even animate with a GIF file as well. So it will actually render it out as a GIF file. So it's an all-in-one Canva clone SaaS application. You will see it transform to a GIF animation, or you can export this to a video as well. So here you can control the duration of the video. So if you want 10-second video, automatically the timeline will there. Can even provide a custom duration. custom width and height as well. So all the options are there, guys. You can directly purchase it. Then after that, you will get all the source code. It's also very easy for you to customize this code. So the link is given in the description.